I'm Joe Schmottel with the Castone Institute. Castone is a highly refined architectural concrete building unit used to simulate natural cut stone, and it's used in masonry applications. It's an extremely durable product that's manufactured with Portland cement, fine and coarse aggregates, chemical admixtures, water, and even mineral pigments to match the whatever is required for the project. In order to call a material cast stone, it must be in accordance with ASTM 1364. So if it's not manufactured to those standards, there are a lot of other materials that call themselves cast stone, but it really has to be manufactured in accordance with the industry standards. Cast stone can actually be fabricated using 3 different methods. It can be the vibrant dry tamp method, the wet cast method, or it can be machine made. But regardless of the method of manufacturing, it must be manufactured in accordance with the ASTM standard. Castone Institute is a national industry trade organization aimed at developing standards, promoting the use of cast stone, and providing education. It's made up of certified producers and related professionals. We make it a point to be involved at a national level with the other industry trade organizations so we can make sure that we remain on the leading edge of the industry. Cast stone has a wide range of applications. Typically it's used as an architectural feature for buildings such as sills or bands or window door surrounds, could be columns or balustrade. It can be used in a wide range of applications. You'll see it everywhere from commercial buildings to residential homes to even hardscape applications. It also has a wide range application in historical structures. It can be used in restoration because of its ability to replicate the fine architectural details that are really prevalent on historical structures. The Cast Stone Plant Certification Program really is an intensive qualifications, if you would. In order to become a certified plant, a member must pass an 88-point plant inspection. It certifies everything from their production processes to the molds to the raw material, record keeping, testing, and even the product itself. Once they pass the initial inspection, they're even subject to ongoing inspections conducted by an independent engineering firm. These inspections are conducted unannounced, so our members really have to be ready for an inspection at any time. This protocol really helps us maintain the integrity of the system and ultimately leads to a higher standard for our certified plants. Certification is important because it's really the only method that perhaps a purchaser or a specifier, an architect, has to really know what they're purchasing. By a certified plant, we're certifying our processes, so we're really manufacturing in accordance with the industry standards. Our product is going to meet the requirements of a project, and it's not going to prematurely fail. Without this requirement, you really don't know what you're purchasing. Many of the other non-certified plants don't even perform product testing on their materials. The product testing is pretty involved. Our members are actually required to test their product for every 500 cubic feet of material that they produce. They are testing the material for compressive strength to make sure that it meets 6,500 psi. They're testing it to make sure the absorption is less than 6%. They're even testing their product to make sure that it passes freeze-thaw durability test. Again, all of those are really aimed at making sure that it's a premium quality product that is going to sustain itself over time. The architects, building owners, and contractors are really the ultimate beneficiaries of our program. Again, by having our certified processes and plants, by purchasing material from our certified plants, they're really getting material that they know has been properly tested. They have the backup processes, and they're going to be purchasing material that's premium quality that is going to be sustainable over the life of the product. The industry standard for construction products are typically a 1-year product warranty. All of our certified plants are actually warranting their product for a 10-year period. So it's just yet another way that we can add value to our customers by giving them that added level of assurance. The Cast Stone Institute has 2 different membership categories. One is associate member, which is really related professionals to the industry, generally people that are providing products or services to the manufacturers of cast stone. Then of course we have our manufacturing or producer members themselves. You know, if a non-certified plant is interested in joining the Cast Stone Institute, they can look on our website to view our checklist so they can see what's required to become a certified plant, and also download an application to join the Cast Stone Institute. Some of the things that the Cast Stone Institute is involved with on a national level, such as conventions and events, are we're involved with the World of Masonry. We're involved with the International Concrete Expo, which is held every year. And typically at those we'll hold education sessions that might vary from topics that would be interest to contractors as well as architects. And we're actually even providing some of the architect training at this year's annual convention. Throughout the year, our members have a tremendous amount of opportunities. We have an annual convention where we provide training and update everybody as to the state of the industry. And throughout those type of functions is also the opportunity to interact with our fellow members. Our fellow members really take great pride in trying to learn from each other and help each other throughout the problems that we all experience day in and day out. So it's really a tremendous opportunity to network with your peers, which can be just as valuable as any training that you might receive. On-site networking is a tremendous opportunity. Typically at each year's convention we'll hold a manufacturing plant tour where one of our members actually hosts, and everybody gets to tour their facility to see their processes and see how they do things. And that's always a tremendous way to learn from your peers, to pick up something that is always valuable that you can use back in your own operation. Currently we have 3 continuing education programs available for architects. There is Architectural Design with Cast Stone Connections, and a Cast Stone Plant Tour. And architects can obtain this training by contacting their local certified plant or by calling the Cast Stone Institute office. If somebody is interested in joining the Institute, they can go to our website at www.caststone.org, and they can actually view if they're a producing member of Cast Stone. They can view our checklist so they can kind of prepare and understand what's involved with becoming a certified plant. There's a lot of resources that may help them on their journey to becoming a certified plant.